So do you want to know how exactly I take profits from the coins that I'm holding? Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. As you guys know, I have made a couple of videos showing you how I take profits, but I have been receiving a ton of comments from a lot of different people asking me to make a video of every step along the way. Like literally how I choose the coin that I'm selling, where I sell it, how I sell it, where do I put the money after I sell it, all of that important information. And I got to thinking, that's a good idea. So today I'm making that video showing you guys every step along the way of how I personally take profits from the coins that I'm holding. But before I show you my process, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's jump right into the video and let's take some profits. So for this example, we are going to be using the KuCoin exchange. KuCoin is one of my favorite exchanges out there. If you want to check it out, link will be in the description box below. So we're going to be using KuCoin, and I will be selling some crypto and taking profits from the KuCoin exchange. Alright, so now we are inside of my KuCoin account, and as you can see, in my main account we have $26,695. In my trading account, we have $1,169. This is from the Double Your Stimulus Check Challenge. It is in the trading account. Also, we have the sub account, which is like 5,500 and some change. This is where I'm using the KuCoin trading bot in order to make some extra money. And so far, it is working out pretty well. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is decide which coin that I am selling. The way I decide is very simple. I take the coin that has the highest percentage on the day. For example, I'm holding Ethereum. Ethereum is only up 2.76% on the day. Also, I'm holding Cardano, but Cardano is negative today, so I will not be selling it. I also have Polkadot. Polkadot is up like 0.21%, so I'm not selling that as well. I also have Uniswap, which is down, and so on. I literally go down the list and I see which coin is up the most on the day. So far today, KuCoin has one of the highest returns. It is up almost 3% on the day. So the way this works is very simple. Once I log into my KuCoin exchange, I click on my main account. This is where I keep the majority of my crypto. So as you can see, I have KuCoin and crypto.com. So we have decided that I will be selling some KuCoin. I press on the transfer button and I'll transfer money from the main account into my trading account in order to sell the crypto. So as you can see, I have 2,553 KuCoins, and the way I decide how much I'm going to sell is by the percentage. KuCoin is up almost 3% on the day. So I take about 1% of today's profits, which will leave me with about 2% profits for the day. So right now my holdings are worth $12,449. I simply multiply it by 0.01, and that will give us the amount of money that we can take out today, which is $124.49. And the way I do this, I simply divide the price of KuCoin, let's say $4.88. That will give us a total of 25.51 KuCoin that we have to sell today. So on the amount of KuCoin that I'm selling, I simply round it up to 26 KuCoin, and then I press confirm. And now 26 KuCoin have been transferred over into my trading account. And the transfer is instantaneous. So we're going to press on trade, we're going to press on spot trading, and then this will take us to the trading feature on KuCoin. And the first thing that you have to do is obviously enter your 6-digit trading password. And the next step is to go in the top left corner and you're going to press on BTC, USDT, or any other trading pair that is on there. Once you press it, you will decide what trading pair that you want to do. And we're going to type in KCS. That is the coin that I will be selling. And as you can see, we can sell it to USDT, we can sell it to Ethereum, or we can sell it to Bitcoin. Personally, I like to pick the first one, stablecoin USDT. Alright, so the next step is to sell our KuCoin for USDT. We're simply going to go on the bottom right corner on the exchange where it says sell. And we're going to enter in the price. Right now the price of KuCoin is $4.88. So right here we are going to enter 4.88 and we're going to go slightly above. Instead of 4, we're going to put like 6 for example. And then right here the amount, we're going to sell 100%. So right now we are selling 26 KuCoin for the price of $4.88. So we are going to press sell KuCoin. And as you can see, our sell order is right here on the exchange. So now that we have sold our KuCoin for USDT, we're simply going to go back to our main assets page. We're going to click on trading account. And as you can see, we will have our USDT. And we are going to press transfer. We're going to transfer the full amount into our main account. So we're going to press the full amount and we are going to press transfer over. The transfer is instantaneous, so we are going to go into the main account. We're going to click on it once again, and then you're going to see USDT, and we have $128.53 of USDT. As you can see right here, we have 4 different options: deposit, withdraw, transfer, or lend. We are going to press lend. This is one of the main reasons why I love the KuCoin exchange, simply because you'll be able to take profits and earn even more profits on top of your profits. Alright, so now we have $128 worth of USDT, and we are going to lend the full amount. You can lend it for 7 days, for 14 days, or for 28 days. Personally, I always lend for 28 days simply because this is the funds that I'm withdrawing and I'm locking them up to earn even more money. And as you can see, here are the rates that are being offered right now. Anywhere between 31% to 33%. But for this example, we are going to click on one of the lower rates so our order goes through automatically. Alright, so we're going to click on right here. And then we are going to click on one of the lowest rates. Right now it's 31.75% annually. So we're going to click on this rate. And right here, it will give us our estimated profits. So for $128 locked up for 28 days, we are going to make $3.11 profit, which is not bad at all. But a lot of times the funds do not stay locked up for 28 days. Most of the time when you put in a 28-day loan, maybe a week or 2 and the loan is released and then you have to lend out again. But the good thing about that is a lot of these rates go up. I have a ton of loans that are locked in at like 50% or 40% annualized returns, which is pretty good. And then all you have to do is press lend USDT. Alright, let's go with this one again. So rates went up. So we're going to make $3.22. We're going to press lend. We're going to press confirm. While we are waiting for the order to go through, I will show you all the loans that I have on the exchange. Alright, so we're going to click on unsettled loans. These are loans that are active right now. And as you can see, I have a loan for $2,234, also for 28 days. I have one for $15, for $780, for $187, for $19, $10, $344, $83, $466, and they are all at different rates, but they are all for 28 days. And right here, you will be able to see how much money it has made us so far. This one has made us $3.18, 50 cents, $1.08, $2.50, $4. As you can see, they're all making us different money. And as you can see, our lend order for $128 has gone through. One loan went out for $100, the other one went out for $28. Both at 0.09 for 28 days. And that is how simple it is. And now all you have to do is wait for these loans to go in and out, and you are going to be making profits on top of your profits. But one of my favorite things about this lending feature is you'll be able to make profits with crypto as well. Personally, I'm only lending USDT, and right now I'm lending $4,256 total. But if you scroll down, you can lend Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, Litecoin, XRP, Cardano. Like literally, there's a ton of different options that you can lend. Check this out: Binance, Link, Uniswap, Graph, 1inch, Nano, Avalanche. I'm telling you, they have a ton of coins that you can lend. All of these different coins have different rates. Some offer a higher interest, some offer a lower interest. But personally, I like to lend stable coins. That way my profits are locked in. All right, everybody. So that is how I personally take profits on the KuCoin exchange. I simply sell the coins for USDT and I start lending them out in order to make even more profits. But that is just one of the ways that you can take profits in this bull run. You can also take the money and transfer it over to BlockFi, where you'll be able to earn an interest rate on your crypto as well. Personally, I use both. I use BlockFi and the KuCoin lending feature, and I split my funds accordingly. That is what I do personally, and that is how I lock in profits on the KuCoin exchange. I will also be making another video showing you guys how I take profits and I transfer them over to BlockFi to earn interest on my money as well. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any other questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. I try to help out as much as I possibly can. Also, if you want to sign up for the KuCoin exchange, link will be in the description box below. Check out BlockFi as well, and see you in the next video. Peace out.